Welcome students, class 11th chemistry. Today we are going to discuss on the chapter 12 organic chemistry, some basic principles and techniques. The topic of today is mechanism of organic reactions, splitting of bonds, reagents and intermediates. First of all, splitting of bonds. Splitting of bonds means because in organic compounds covalent bonds are present, and during splitting, if the splitting takes place in such a way that each of the atom carries its shared electron, is known as homolytic splitting. Example, AB compound is there, and when splits bond, A and B takes their own electrons, and so both are with one odd electron, and these are known as free radicals. So homolytic splitting is producing free radicals. What are free radicals? These are the particles with odd number of electrons on the central atom. Heterolytic splitting. When covalent bonds split in such a bond in a way that both the electrons are carried by one of the atom, and second atom remains without any electron. So which takes electron, both of the electrons acquires negative charge and other acquires positive charge. So one cation and one anion is produced. Example, in this example AB, so suppose B is more electronegative, so it will attract electrons towards itself. It will take both of the electrons when bond splits. A acquires positive charge, B acquires negative charge, and in this way, in such type of splitting, cations and anions are formed. कैटायन और एनायन इस रिएक्शन में बनेंगे. एक एटम दोनों इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को ले लेता है, जबकि दूसरे एटम के पास कोई इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर्ड पेयर नहीं रहता है. सो पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव आयंस यहाँ बन जाते हैं, कैटायंस एंड एनायंस. ओके. Reagents. Reagents are the starting material which initiate the reaction. So these are of two types. Nucleophiles, number one, all molecules or ions with free pair of electron or negative charge are nucleophiles. These attack at the center where there is less of electrons. There is deficiency of electrons. So these are nucleophiles. These are Lewis based because these have lone pair of electron, free pair of electrons. So nucleophiles may be neutral as well as charged. Neutral nucleophiles are H2O, ammonia, amines, alcohols, carboxylic acids, thioalcohols, etc. And charged nucleophiles are RO-, alkoxide ion, NH2-, RNH-, SH-, Cl-, and so on. Electrophiles. Electrophiles are positively charged species. These are attracted towards the center where there is electron density more, or these attack at the electron rich center. These are electron loving, and these are itself electron deficient. So these accept electron. So these are Lewis acids. इनके पास इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की कमी होती है, मीन्स इनके पास लास्ट ऑर्बिट में 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन से लेस इलेक्ट्रॉन होंगे सेंट्रल एटम के पास. सो दीज अटैक एट सेंटर, एक ऐसे सेंटर पर अटैक करेंगे जहां पर इनको इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मिले. So these are known as electrophiles. These are positively charged. Positive charge means these are deficient of electrons. So H positive, Cl positive, Br positive, I positive, NO2 positive, CH3 positive. Where there is positive charge, all these are the electrophiles. Next are the intermediates. Bonds have split in homolytic way or heterolytic way. So in homolytic way, free radicals are formed. In heterolytic way, cations and anions are formed. So these are the intermediates. And because carbon atom is the central atom, so these are known as the carbocations. Now carbocations, what are these? These are cations with positive charge and central atom is carbon. Because these are planar in shape, these have sp2 hybridized carbon position, and so bond angle is 120 degree. Due to sp2 hybridization, bond angle is 120 degree. And these unhybridized 2p orbital, because the central atom is carbon, it is having one unhybridized p orbital, 2p orbital, that lies above and below the plane, and it contains no electrons. So these are intermediate carbocations. These are positively charged cations. Order of stability of carbocations. So carbocations may be primary, secondary or tertiary depending upon the carbon on which positive charge is present, whether it is attached to one or non-alkyl group, more than one, that is 2 alkyl group, secondary, and carbon attached to 3 CH3 group or alkyl group is tertiary, 3 degree. So order of stability is primary, least, and tertiary carbocations maximum. And the reason is due to presence of alkyl group, which has plus I effect, it disperses positive charge. So more the alkyl group, more is the stability of carbocations. Carb anions. These are negatively charged. These are the anions formed by heterolytic splitting, and carbon atom is central atom, so it is known as carb anion. And these have unpaired electrons. Unshared pair of electron and bears a negative charge. Unpaired electron, unshared pair of electron means lone pair of electron, so which can be donated at any time. These have minus charge on the central carbon atom. Order of stability of carb anions is primary carb anions are most stable and tertiary carb anions are least stable. And it is because the alkyl groups, due to plus I effect, push electrons towards negatively charged carbon and thus concentrate the negative field on the negatively charged carbon and destabilize. So in tertiary case there are 3 methyl groups, so these stabilized the carb anions maximum. Free radicals and their order of stability. So free radicals are formed by homolytic splitting. These are having odd electrons on the central atom, and these may also be tertiary, secondary and primary, 3 degree, 2 degree or 1 degree or methyl. And order of stability is tertiary most stable, primary least stable. So the compounds from which tertiary a free radical is formed will be most reactive, and the compounds which produce primary free radical are least reactive. And the reason of order of stability is due to hyperconjugation, because CH3 are having the alpha carbon and these cause hyperconjugation. So more the number of alkyl methyl group on central carbon, more is stability of the free radical. That's all for today. Thank you. Keep watching, and if you like this video, subscribe so that I can send the important informations up to you. And so thank you for watching this video. Thank you.